Hi everyone, hope you're well. I thought I would jump on now between eclipses because I know there's a lot going on and just give you some messages. So, we are between eclipses. There was one last weekend, the 14th of October, and its pair is coming up next weekend on the 28th of July. So we get these portals of time twice a year between eclipses, and it can be a very intense and overwhelming time. So whatever's coming up or going on for you, hang in there, just notice what's coming up. And also think about what's calling you. So what do you keep pushing down or brushing aside or looking away from that needs attention or action? Just pay attention to it. And with feelings, as usual, feel fully whatever comes up. Allow yourself to notice and just really feel whatever it is. It's likely it will be painful or difficult, but holding it in is not a good idea, so just move through it. Another message is it's okay to change your mind about something. So at the moment, maybe it's a complete switch of opinion on something or a realization about something. You don't just have to stick with something because of what others think or because it's what you've always done or because of pride. Things are changing and you have changed, and now might be the right time for something that it's just never been the right time for until now. So that's a pretty strong message actually. So remember, keep your frequency up. There's always going to be good and bad things going on. Focus on the things that you want, and also remember to be a light for others at the moment. It gives you a purpose outside of yourself, and especially if you're feeling down and hopeless, it can be difficult to believe when you're in that place that things will improve. But as I say, keep trusting. Do and focus on the things that you know lift your frequency. Move through this time and it will reveal things to you that you should be paying attention to. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye-bye.